Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Monday, December the 2nd. Let's take a look at the S&P 500 just really quickly because I wanted to just make a note that it seems like finally we have a decent pullback. I think this might be the beginning of a bear market, so who cares? We are playing the markets with a mix of bullish and bearish trades, even though currently I have more bearish trades. You want to look at your activity and positions. I suggest you go to the old layout. Click on here, it says position statements. Click there and look for the old layout. And then this will give you your deltas, okay? And it says delta minus 294. To balance it according to the S&P 500, just click on the beta weighing and enter SPX so that they're all balanced out based on the S&P 500. And this is my current delta is minus 19, so it's not too bad. Always theta positive when you're playing verticals. That's sort of interesting. Today we had 777, almost $78 in profit. Of course, paper profits, they can come and go. But I think it's an indication that the market's going down is helping me quite a bit. Let's go back to the new layout. And you have bearish trades here and bullish trades. I've been classifying that. For example, here we have today this Goldman Sachs trades entered, and it's a bearish trade. As you can see, it's a put vertical long put spread. So let's analyze that. And what? Analyze trade. Okay, here it is. So let's look at the risk profile. And that's the break-even point. So let's just click on the plus sign, and this is, we got lucky because at the opening the market was up and then it came down quite a bit. Let's take a look at a chart of Goldman Sachs, and I got lucky on that trade. But this is the idea. You never know when things are going to happen, so you may anticipate by entering a certain profile that I will teach you in the course to pick that up, and when the market goes down, great. But at the same time, we've been entering bearish after bearish trades, and none of them have been working until today. Many of them are. So here it is. Okay, so here is you can transfer then the trade. It would show up here in this unallocated to begin with. You can say right click and say move to group, and move it to the bearish group. So then you have all the bearish trades here, all the bullish trades. I'm going to do something different today. I think the Twitter actually is positive, is a bullish trade. For some reason I have it here on the bearish side. You can see the deltas are positive, 0.45. So I'm going to move this to the bullish side. With the deltas, you can go rather quickly and see, well, is there a positive one here? No, they're all delta negative, adding up to 23 negative deltas. On the bullish side, we have quite a few. Okay, what I want to do is something special today. We have this Twitter trade, TWTR, and I said that it would try to go to the gap, and now it's pulling back. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to transform this bullish trade, okay, only a few dollars to go, to the complete profit. Let me just click here, the plus sign. Oh, here we are here at 30.40. I don't know where it's showing here. Okay, this is my current position with a profit of $125. That's not quite half what I expect. So my feeling is that this stock may go sideways to down rather than continue on higher. So I'm going to transform it into an iron condor. Okay, how? By selling an equal number. This is a bear bull put spread. I'm going to add a bear call spread and transform it into an iron condor. And I'm getting $48 with it, and I multiply by 3. And then my risk goes from $318 to $174. I reduce my risk, possibly increase my potential gain. However, it needs to stay on that range. So it's anyway, you figure out what you want to do. But I just want to do this based on the information I have on my technical analysis. So I'm going to send that, confirm and send, and transform. By adding a bear call spread, I now have an iron condor if it does get filled. Very good. All right, let's look at the trade that I have for today is on MA. MA, or I think it's MasterCard. Yes. I was planning from the beginning of the day, and it's already given me an indication that may be a good trade. Okay, so let's enter this trade. I'm hoping to make $265 out of a $235 investment. And again, it's within the 1% for the account, so let's confirm and send. All right, and let's take a quick look at the performance today. You can click on the P&L since the opening, and that gives you Deere is $187 in profit so far, Valero 162. Let's take a look at Deere. Do I think it's going to continue on lower? Well, I think it will, but I think it's moved plenty good for us. And it's because it's done pretty well. I am exceeding half the potential profit. My profits are currently 186, and I expected to make 250. So it's more than half, and we have 27 days to go, 26 thereabouts. And so I'd say this is fine. I'd rather collect my profits within 10 days and not hold for another 30 days hoping to get the last penny. Okay, so that's how we take profits. And that frees capital for other trades. Did I do this right? Yes. Okay, so it is a bear call spread, and I'm just adding the opposite, a bull call spread, and they cancel each other, and I'm paying 32 cents, and my original trade, let me see how much here. I got $1.25. Okay, so if everything works out, my profit is $186. Okay, so DE and TWR, and we enter a MasterCard bearish trade. I think that's all I had for today. You can go check your bullish trades if you think that the market is okay, had enough and now it's going to pull back. You can still have certain markets do well, like FANG here, for example. Let's take a look at that. I think it's Energy Incorporated. Let's take a look at the Analyze tab, FANG. and it's an oil and natural gas company. Take a look at the chart. I have others in mind. EOG, that looks like it's coming down a little bit, correcting. Apache took a big beating today, but is it making a new low? No, it's testing the previous lows. It did make a new low, but intraday, not after hours. I mean, not at the closing. Okay. So I think that the oil industry is going to be okay. Let's see what else do we have in the bullish trade. eBay, Oxy is another, Occidental Petroleum, Sina. Let's take a look at Yum. Yeah. All right. Let's call it a day. If there is anything else to trade, we will do it tomorrow. So thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye-bye.
For this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.PutCallGenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.